At so yun na nga pala mga Lodski, ito yung part 2 from our last video na nagpunta kami doon sa snow sa may Donner Lake. Ngayon naman, we're gonna go to Donner Ski Ranch. First time namin actually doon. Be honest with you, medyo mura-mura na konti doon compared sa South Lake Tahoe. Dahil inflation ngayon, medyo nagbabudget-budget kami. At the same time kasi, first time nung anak kong babae na mag-ski. We've been asking her to try skiing. So, na-convince namin siya, and pumayag naman siya. At ngayon, first time niya mag-ski doon. At syempre, aalalayan ko. So, hindi man ako expert na mag-ski. Snowboard lang yung alam ko. Actually, beginner pa rin ako. Pero, i-assist ko siya hanggang matuto siya. And alam ko, mas madali yon kaysa sa snowboard. Kung makikita nyo, napakaganda papunta ng Donner Ski Ranch from our hotel. Doon nga pala kami naka-check-in sa may Donner Lake Village.
Hi. Daddy's tired. Kuya, hello.
It's exhaust.
Huh? It's hot?
I don't have anything under. Yeah. Oh, let me start. Yeah.
Wow. Tired? Yeah. Sa harap ka niya. Go in front of her. Wow. Good job, baby. Yeah, mo ng ganyan, oh. Ooh. Good job, baby.
Say hi, Lindsay. Picha. Picha. Stop, stop. Go. Dahil nag-enjoy kami at pagod kami lahat, syempre titreat naman namin sarili namin. So on the hunt for sushi kami ngayon. Medyo nag-check kami sa mga Yelp dyan at mga Google search. Medyo malapit lang siya and on the way siya papunta sa may hotel namin. Lalampasan mo na siya konti. Doon siya sa may Donner Lake Road. Check out natin to, tingnan natin how it goes.
How do you eat that? Oh, I can't.
Here you go, guys. Thank you. Yummy. There he is. He's coming.
So which is which? Miso, soy sauce. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. Sick boy. Yee, everybody's tired here. Yee, everybody's tired. Everybody's tired. Everybody's tired. Everybody's tired.
Let's get you. What do you say about our travel? Was fun? Did you like skiing? Did you have fun? How about this big boy? You got sick? On a scale from 0 to 10, how much fun did you have, Kuya? 7. Why? You got sick? How about you, sweetheart? On a scale from 0 to 10, being the best. 9.5! Yay! How about this big daddy?
Me? 10.
10 out of 10?
Because I'm with you guys.
Aww, that is so sentimental. So cringe. Gusto nila yun. That is so cringe.
Listen, it's erotic. He loves Chick-fil-A.
Yes. Yes. Hold on. Let's wait for it. Here comes Daddy. Yeah. Yes. How's your food? How's your food, Dad? Food review.
Good.
How's your food? What happened to our food?